Get more money for your home and increase your home's value. You probably know when selling real estate, renovated kitchens and baths help you get more money when selling your home. I'm going to give you 6 tips that will get you more money. Number 1, make a budget. One of the best ways to save on a kitchen remodel is to make a budget and stick to it. A budget will ensure that you change out what you need while you don't overspend. Number 2, use what you have. If your cabinets are in great shape, then just reface them or get a professional painter in to give them a fresh new look. Painted cabinets are all the rage right now, but be sure to use a neutral color. Number 3, replace your old lighting with updated lighting and install under cabinet lighting to give your kitchen a more spacious feel. Number 4, don't move your appliances, leave them in the same spot. This will save on plumbing and electrical changes that are hidden costs. Number 5, install granite or quartz countertops. Check the prices and see if you can find a remnant or an entry-level piece that will be far less expensive. Number 6, replace old appliances with updated appliances for a current new look. And if you are a buyer, don't pass up the house in the right location at the right price. As you can see, with renovations do not need to be drastically as expensive as they are featured on HGTV. As always here at Huddle Real Estate, we treat you the way we would want to be treated, buying and selling every home as it is our own. Make it a great day.